Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, bottom bracket, top cover, and system board. Note: take note of the positions of each of the wireless antennas and how the longer wireless antenna cable is routed for later replacement. Removal: if necessary, lift the wireless antenna cable out of its routing channel in the base enclosure. Turn the base enclosure over. If present, peel back any adhesive metal foil covering the cutout in the base enclosure to the antenna. Lift the wireless antenna cable through the cutout in the base enclosure. Very carefully, pry up the wireless antenna adhered to the base enclosure. Note: both wireless antennas are removed in the same fashion. Replacement. Caution: use care when handling and installing the new antennas. Accidental bending of the antenna elements will detune the antennas and degrade notebook performance. Align the wireless antenna into position, bounded by metal tabs in the base enclosure. Press to adhere the wireless antenna into position. Note: both wireless antennas are replaced in the same fashion. Feed the longer wireless antenna cable through the cutout in the base enclosure. Replace any adhesive metal foil covering the cutout in the base enclosure. Turn the base enclosure over and route the wireless antenna cable, if appropriate, into its routing channel around the inside of the base enclosure. Continue the reassembly. Replace the system board, top cover, bottom bracket, and bottom cover.